State Farm Drive Safe and Save Setup Instructions. So, of course, to start you up, you're gonna have to get the app itself ready. So, download it directly from your Play Store or App Store. So, once you've downloaded the app, you can go ahead and directly log in using your login credentials, or you can go ahead and create a new account. So, if you don't have an account yet, just press on the bottom option. But once you finish through the login section, you can go ahead and enter your dashboard. So basically you set this up with your own beacon. So to set up your own beacon, go ahead to the save and save section. And also before doing everything else, there are some cases where you're going to have to enroll. So you're going to have to do that process real quick. So just go ahead and view consent, go ahead and agree until you pretty much finish the enrolling section. After that, go ahead to your dashboard. Again, go to save and save, and you should be able to see your vehicles after you pair it up with the beacon. So make sure you have allowed the permissions as well, since this is the setup permissions and the required permissions for drive safe and save, which will allow you to connect pretty much your vehicle to the beacon itself. So in this section over here, you can add the vehicle's current odometer reading, which is the complete setup. So just go ahead and enter the actual current odometer reading by miles, and in your beacon ID you should be able to see it over here. But before that, you can go ahead and connect this, by the way, by holding down the button until it lights up. That is pretty much signaling that you can connect the beacon to your device. So once it is connected, you can finally start up with a setup over here. So again, put in the beacon ID directly here at the bottom, and pretty much just complete the setup. Your device and your beacon will be connected. But that's pretty much the entire setup of your State Farm Drive Safe and Save. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.